I come from Pula, a beautiful place in northern Serbia. I'm Radovan. I'm 38 years old and I spend all of my free time on exploring new places and being in nature. Adventure is something that really fulfills me. My true companion is my Kombeza. It's 35 years old and it has been specially equipped to be more than just a van. This time Kombeza and I chose to go an adventure in eastern Serbia on Stara Planina. I heard that there can be found the highest waterfalls in Serbia, called Kaluđerski Skokovi and Kopren, and that there are some villages with only few residents. Also, the highest point of Stara Planina in Serbia is Mijor, which must be conquered. I promised myself to take 3 photos from this journey: photo of the most beautiful moment, the scariest one, and the shoot of person who made the greatest impression on me. 3 days, 3 photos and 3 locations, Kombeza and I. Why? To make an adventure happen. Since Kombeza is 35 years old, some general car service was needed to be done. I passed about 300 kilometers from the beginning of a journey and now I need to check whether it consumes the oil, which hopefully does not. Now I'm checking the engine oil. It is at max. So far it's not using oil, so let's continue with the journey.
Like a fool, ever coming back, cause I could've seen you like, baby, how's that working for you? Whoa, 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 whoa.
The last stop was in Paraćin, where the temperature was 35 degrees Celsius. I just passed Pirot about 20 kilometers ago and it was raining and thundering, but here there is no rain. Let's go and continue with this adventure. The next destination is a village called Vrelo.
Way to Texas too. Whoa, whoa,
My objective here is to visit 2 waterfalls. The first one is the biggest one in Serbia, Kaluđerski Skokovi, as I previously mentioned, 232 meters high. The second one is Kopren, and I believe it is about 103 meters high. The road is becoming worse and worse, impossible, so I will try to go with Kombeza as far as it is possible. After that I need to go by foot. I hope I'll manage to arrive there. There are beyond more waterfalls in Serbia than we assume. According some data, there are more than 90, with the majority of them in eastern Serbia. It is said that 1/3 of them can be found right here on Stara Planina. I just passed by a road sign for Kopren, but the road is quite inaccessible, so I'll see how far could I proceed with Kombeza. It is getting harder and harder to do that, but hopefully I'll manage to make it through. I need to stop for a little bit. So far it's going well. I was going in first gear, but the temperature on the vehicle started rising. Luckily, the ventilation is turned on, so it's cooling down. I will take a short break. I'm lucky because the weather is nice, it's fresh, unlike in downtown. I think I passed by like 15 creeks created as a consequence of snow melting. It was raining a lot in the past period. The rest of the snow was melting and now the road is terrible. I cannot believe that I made it so far with Kombeza. A few seconds ago I saw a truck passing by wheel carrying woods. It was the old TAM 110. If Kombeza is hitting the same road as that truck, I am already in a great position. Just for the records, the truck was going without the last tire, with the rim only. I'm not sure where I am right now. There was no any road sign after passing the creek. There's no signal at all. I'm not using GPS. I really hope I have not missed the path. I was following the signs. I remember one road sign. I'm not sure how many kilometers ago. I just say I passed it like half an hour ago and I've been driving in first gear all the way along. Here's the sign for Copran, so I'm going to go right. At least there's the sign. I hope I will see the waterfalls too. I have a bad feeling. Copran is a mountain peak, not a waterfall. The view is breathtaking, but I believe I made a mistake. This was not what I intended.
There is a sign.
But where it is? It is like a wooden sign.
Yes, the wooden one. Just keep going straight. Do not go right or left.
Should I move my van? The man said that it's possible to proceed driving and that it takes a 10 minutes long drive to arrive to the waterfall. I'm grateful to the woodsman. I'm going to find the waterfall. The waterfall Copran is located at the foot of the peak Copran, after which it was named. Firstly, I thought I would find it there, but the woodsman advised me I should keep going further. There is no way I could proceed any further. I'm going to get stuck. I packed all essentials. I need to hurry up while it is still daylight. There's a sign for Copran. Exactly that I was looking for. Let's go. This is the right way. I came this far by driving, but from this part here I guess no car could ever proceed. Imagine only my Combeza. But I'm grateful to it for even bringing me up here. Let's go. There are many woodsmen in the vehicle, but this was the only option to arrive to my destination. The certain thing is that I'm going to see a chasm. Chasm is like a mountain pit. I'm not sure how does it look like. I haven't checked on the internet, so I'm not sure what to expect. I just saw that I'm approaching the pit and I hope I will spot also the waterfall. The woodsman left me up there, but I need to hurry up to see it during the daylight. Wow, it's amazing! The water is coming down from the mountain. It's passing under the rock. Oh no, it is coming from here. Two sides are disappearing under the rock. Incredible! I wasn't expecting that. I didn't not even know about this. I was expecting to spot a mountain pit, but there is literally an abyss. On one side there is a waterfall and on the other a creek disappearing in the mountains. I feel so excited. I'm not sure whether this is the most beautiful or the scariest moment so far. Oh, the water is so cold. Oh my gosh. It's dark down there. It's not possible to see anything, but it's just amazing. There is about 5 meters visibility. This is just unreal. Literally an abyss. Unreal. I didn't know about this hidden beauty here on Stara Planina. It is beyond cold. The water is freezing. I'm not sure whether the camera could catch my breath, how slippery it is. I need to be careful to not fall down. There is moss here. That's it. The place is breathtaking. I need to take a picture. I still cannot decide whether this is going to be the most beautiful or the scariest place. It's both so far. The woodsmen are gone as I assumed. They told me they would wait me for 10 minutes, but I stayed more than 20-25 minutes. I have a headlamp and I need to find Kombeza to go sleep. Tomorrow I proceed to my next destination, Kopren. As you can see, the moon is up and the sun is down and it's really cold, but it was worth it. I didn't even know there was a place like this. This is amazing. Stara Planina is very beautiful. Firstly, I will prepare a dinner and then go to sleep in Kombeza. Everything is homemade, all already prepared. Radovan is not an amateur. There were some situations when I stayed hungry, but that is not the case anymore. As you may know, I spent the night in my van Kombeza. The woodsman woke me up early this morning and told me it would be needed a 2 hours long walk just in one direction in order to get to the waterfall Kopren. Therefore, I quit it. On the end, I decided to go to the waterfall Kaludjerski Skokovi. I saw a road sign for the waterfall called Tupavica at the intersection while going up. I guess it should be right here, as saw now. If it's possible, I will proceed there. I believe I can reach it with my van Kombeza. Yes, that is the waterfall Tupavica. There are the woodsmen who wake me up this morning and made clear to me that it's not that easy to reach the waterfall Kopren as I thought. Let's go and take this way. The tree branches just stabbed me. I need to close the window. It is not possible to go further with Kombeza at this point. I need to walk across the bridge, so I'm taking my backpack and water with me just in case. Going through the woods, you can immediately feel the water coolness. The waterfall can be spotted even from this spot. Amazing! Woohoo! It's very slippery here. I drank the water from the previous waterfall, so I have to do the same with this one. This water is not that cold as the previous one was. Stara Planina is just breathtaking. I will continue my journey passing the village Topli Do and way to the Kaludjerski Skokovi. I took right after passing the waterfall and I'm heading to the village Topli Do. I decided to take the macadam. It can be worse than the yesterday's one. I'll see how far I'll be able to proceed. I just love landscapes to take your breath away at the first sight. I was not aware that all of this could be found at Stara Planina. I could not see that in brochure. Wow, what's this? Look how many cascades are there. Amazing. Look the waterfall flowing. It makes the stone turn red. I need to watch out not to slip, since there it is a bit of moss. There is a convenient point over there from which I could reach the waterfall better. I will jump it over. It's probably slippery here. Wow, amazing. You can just hear the cascades. There's a lot of moss here, so it's so slippery. The water is so nice and cold. I'm going to jump in for a bit. I just need to find the convenient spot to reach it. Here the water flows fast, so this point is not the option. This one is just perfect. Perfect for jumping in. I'm probably going to come out after 20 seconds, since the water is so cold. But that's fine. The important thing is that I will refresh myself a bit. What do you think? Can I take this way to reach the village Toplido?
Yes, it is possible, for like about 7 or 8 kilometers. But as you continue going up, you'll see the road destroyed by the flood, so I would not recommend you to go by yourself. Maybe it's better to go with jeeps in a group, or with off-roaders. Usually people go in groups. Maybe heading there on your own, it's not the best idea.
So I need to take the road for Pirot, right?
That's correct. After Pirot, you need to take a road to Temska, and then for Toplido. Otherwise, you can go until Dol, as we call it Belchin Dol, and then as going up, it becomes difficult.
Let's continue. I need to turn back for Pirot and then proceed at slow pace. It's going to take 50 kilometers, but what can I do about it? Let's go. Toplido is the closest village to the Midjar. Hidden in the valley of Stara Planina, surrounded by the forest, the Toplido's river and many streams. Back in 70s, it was one of the places with the highest livestock. There was a dairy farm and a water mill. Hi, I'm Radovan.
I'm Milovan.
Nice to meet you. I want to go to Kaluđerski skok. I would like to know, someone says Kaluđerski skok and the others say Kaluđerski skokovi. How it's exactly called?
Skokovi. There are 4 or 5 waterfalls there. That's why we use it in plural. Skok, skokovi. There is more than one.
Right, so it's Kaluđerski skokovi.
That's all in one line, all the way to Kaluđerski skokovi. It's situated under Midjar, about 200 meters above the sea level.
Is it far away?
About 9 kilometers far from the waterfall.
Is it possible to reach? If I head in the morning, is it reachable by the vehicle? Could I drive my van all the way up there?
Yes, it's possible for like 7 kilometers, after which you should go walking for 2 kilometers.
Okay, that's not much. Is there a path?
Sure, there is a path which was used by the people and cattle in the past.
I was told to watch out for the snakes. Are there some?
Yes, there are. Other horned viper. There are like 4 or 5 different kind of adder.
Has anyone got bitten?
Well, it happened twice.
And?
Then they went straight to the hospital in Pirot.
So I need to watch out tomorrow.
Well, yes, especially in the period since there are a lot of them during season.
Are there wolves attacking sheep?
Yes, also bears could be found.
Bears too?
Sure.
Was there any accident? Do they come near the village?
No, that was not the case.
Please tell me, is there a chance I could park a van over here, somewhere where you tell me to, since I plan on sleeping?
You can park it right here.
Next to the school?
Yes, you can sleep here.
That's not a problem.
Not at all.
There are no animals here at night.
None, just sheep, about 50 of them. Also there are dogs. There are also water here, in case you need it.
Back in time, this place so vivid. but now, as per the old man Miller, there are approximately 30 people living. There is an empty, abandoned school and the church surrounded by the bushes. After an exciting day, it's time to go to sleep. As per the old man Miller, I can park near the school, so I'm heading there. I hope I will accomplish my mission as I planned, which is to arrive to the waterfall Kaluđerski skok, or skokovi, as Mile said, since there are more than one. I feel so exciting and I really hope I'll manage to do it as planned. There's a horse in the middle of the road. A fall. He ran away. I scared him away. In comparison with the places I went to Kombeza, this should be a piece of cake. It's beautiful here, nice meadow. Ideal place for camping and staying overnight. I need to prepare my things. You already saw what places I have reached so far with my Kombeza. Now it's time to show you the inside of the van, which I'm so proud. You can sleep whatever you want. My motto is home is where I decide to park. The second night in Kombeza was way more exciting than the first one. The reason for that is probably because there's almost no one in the village. I'm up to make the adventure happen. Whoa, what's this? Could I cross it over? The wood is just put one over another. I'll try. A rock hit my car. Oh, my tank is dented. The fuel is leaking. Oh no, I wasn't expecting it. Since the fuel is leaking more than I thought, I will stop here and continue by foot. I'll park Kombeza on a slope so that the fuel stops leaking. Stays here, I'm going to walk. I saw a snake behind this rock. It ran away here in the bushes. I'm not sure whether you can see it. No. As per Mila, there are so many snakes here, more than ever before, especially at this part. There are others, horned reapers, that's all. If I perchance, God forbid, get bitten by a snake, I must go to the hospital in 2 hours after that to survive. This is an ideal place to snakes. It's sunny and rocks are everywhere. I think I'm going the right way. There's no any sign, but I will continue walking. After 3 hours of walking, I see the waterfall Kaluđerski skokovi, here right in front of me. The view is just breathtaking. It starts right from the top and it ends here in front of me. I was not able to approach the water, but I'm near it, like 20 meters near. That's it. The second objective is completed. The next one is to climb up to the top of Midra. Stara planina, or differently called Balkan planina. It ranges in Bulgaria and Serbia, with the highest peak named Boter, 2,376 meters high. Its highest point in Serbia is Mijor, 2,169 meters high. I ride at Babin Zub. I cannot go further with Kombeza. I will go fast, I will manage to climb Mijor. Mijor's massif is just huge. Its western, eastern and southern hillsides are covered with the grass and are not steep unlike the northern part, very rocky and steep. The sun is going down. I'm not sure if I'm going to make it. I need to speed up a little bit. At the very beginning, there was the highest ascent. I got tired, but I wasn't giving up. The view was just amazing, but I was not sure whether I was going to make it. There wasn't much time left until it gets dark, and I was running out of strength. After 2 hours of climbing, I'm up at Mijor, the Stara planina's highest point. I accomplished all 3 objectives that I promised myself. I saw the highest waterfall in Serbia, Kaluđerski skokovi. I visited the almost abandoned village Topli Dol, with only 30 residents left, and I climbed Mijor, the highest point of Stara planina. If I can do it, you can do it too. Plan your own adventure. See you in next episode and stay tuned. The photo of the best moment is the one of the sunset at Mijor. The scariest moment was when it got dark at the Ambis. The photo of a person is definitely of the old man Mile from Topli Dol. Kombeza is going to be like a moving gallery of challenging adventures. If you liked this video, follow my YouTube channel and my Instagram and Facebook page.